And we saw the tornado coming down the hill right there, right at us. And as soon as we got under that desk, the door blew open. I was just kind of in shock.
Broken windows and empty.
This is a lot worse than the flood of '82 was. But in the flood of '82, you'd be standing about chest deep in water right here. So then we could just tear the insides of the buildings out and redo them. Now we got to start to clean it all off and go from there. It's a daunting task, but it's something that's okay. We're glad that the people that were here, at least they weren't all killed. There were 24 people in these 3 buildings right here, and 1 fatality out of that. It will rebuild. Shucks, that's just part of our heritage, I think. What do they call it? Kick ass and take names.
Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's going to rain today. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's going to rain today.